What's up, everybody? It's Daoud from Dr. Mission. I'd like to share with you a nice life hack. Next time you drink water, embrace your water with an affirmation, a positive affirmation for your day. Every time you sip water, tell your water, I love you. You're the will of God. You're amazing. You're beautiful. Then drink that water. When you do that, you're going to be empowering your water and invigorating yourself with those positive affirmations. The world is really a manifestation of your mind. Not having 3 to 6 bowel movements a day is like not taking a shower or brushing your teeth. That's pretty gross if you ask me. And if you ask me, another thing, eating fast food and all junk food, that's another thing that's pretty gross. So what I would do if I were you is I would eliminate the gross foods and start, cleaning up the inside. Because, if you walked around without taking a shower for a day or two, you would probably stink, right? Like a normal person, right? So as a normal person, you should clean the inside of your body just as much. If you're eating 3 times a day at least, probably eating more, but you're gonna have to have equal amount or double the bowel movements for as much as you eat. So if you're eating 3 times a day, you're gonna aim for about 3 to 6 bowel movements a day. Peace. A lot of times you think you might be having a bad day, but it's really you don't have the water. So your cognitive functionality is off, right? Your thinking is off, your emotions is off, your digestive system is off. So that's gonna make sure that your brain and everything that's functioning in your body is off. So if you're not drinking the average man needs to drink about 4 of these, that's about a gallon a day. The average woman needs to drink about 3 of these to get the exact number. You wanna take your body weight and multiply it by 0.67, right? And then for every 30 minutes of workout that you do, you want to add 12 ounces of water, right? Right? Generally speaking. So if you're not doing that, more than likely you're dehydrated. If you're dehydrated, more than likely you're constipated, and you're going to need some colon cleanse, right? Because after the damage is done, what happens is the body is weakened. So even if you start to eat healthy and it's been a year or two, you can still be constipated because maybe you're not eating enough of the natural foods, but it's not enough to just eat natural foods. You gotta take herbs and supplements to make sure that everything is working and functioning properly. Right? All right. About to get my sugar cane juice. I'm just stopping to take a sip of this sugar cane juice because it was just amazing and I deserve it because my body loves nutrients and I deserve to love my body. So I do this about every other day. I get myself a sugar cane juice, if not every day. I usually mix it with some sea moss, so I'm going to save some for later. But it's really important to make sure you eat fruits and vegetables each day. And right now, I was on my way to a store that sells Dr. Mission. You can find all our stores on our website. And I just want to be productive because I could have waited till tomorrow. But I said, hey, let me do it today and show you guys a little bit about kind of how my day works, a day in the life of Daoud from Dr. Mission. Peace.